I spend 48 hours rolling the fruits from gacha, but I will eat every single fruit that I will roll, and it was not pretty at all. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe because we are very close to 10,000 subscribers, and also join my Discord for daily fruits giveaways. Without further ado, let's start this video.
The shivers whenever I'm thinking about you. Just wanna leave and live without you. Be on my own again. I get the shivers whenever you go out of line, yeah. I feel the creeping down my spine, yeah. Wanna be alone again. See your face, I can feel it coming back. These shivers are every day. Whoa, I say it's over, I get out of bed and leave, yeah. Just like that, I got the shivers whenever I would think about you. Now that I left, I live without you. I'm on my own again. I got the shivers whenever you went out of line, yeah. Now it's like everything is fine, yeah. I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. Nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a